want once more to reiterate that Professor Magoha, the late, was a great man, a distinguished public servant, a committed educationist, a very good surgeon, and more than that, a very humble man. But for me, as a truthful man like myself, he says what is in his mind. Yeah, so I have lost someone I think is of my kind. I don't know how many other truthful men now are remaining. So we want to say that we really as a government are very saddened by the loss, and we ask the family to take heart. Again, the family did request that the government helps to airlift the body, and we have agreed, and the Kenya Defense Forces will provide a military helicopter to take the body home together with members of the family on the Friday preceding the Saturday burial. Again, the family requested that we do help in providing the tentage and chairs and all that goes with it to cater for thousands of mourners on that particular day, and that request has been acceded. Again, the family requested that we give some financial support, which we have committed to support the family effort in terms of funeral preparations and feeding the thousands of mourners who are expected. Over and above, our Department of Special Program will also provide food for the family and the mourners, and in addition, we have also instructed that we provide food, relief food, to all the residents of Gem, so that as we proceed to prepare for the burial, all the homes surrounding the funeral home, the home that is bereaved, they are also comfortable because there is food.